Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a mechanic or a fleet manager dealing with Volvo heavy trucks or construction equipment, you know how complex these modern machines can be. From intricate electrical systems to advanced emissions controls, finding the right diagnostic tool isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. You need something that goes beyond simple code reading, something that can truly communicate with the vehicle's brain. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer, the official system designed specifically for the Volvo ecosystem. Let's talk about the Volvo VCADS Pro, also known as the Volvo Tech Tool. So, what exactly is the Volvo Tech Tool? Simply put, it's the dealership-level diagnostic software that professionals rely on every single day. This isn't your average generic scanner. This is a comprehensive system built from the ground up to handle everything Volvo throws at you. Whether you're reworking on a massive articulated hauler on a construction site or a VNL semi-truck crisscrossing the country, this tool is your master key. It provides unparalleled access to every module, every sensor, and every parameter within the vehicle's network. Let's break down its core capabilities. First up, programming. Have you ever needed to replace a control module, like an ECU or a transmission controller? With the Tech Tool, you can program new modules, update existing software, and change vehicle parameters. This is crucial for ensuring all components work together seamlessly after a repair. You can adjust things like speed limits, idle shutdown timers, and other customizable features to perfectly match the truck's application or the fleet's requirements. This level of control is something you simply can't achieve with aftermarket tools. Next, let's talk about diagnostics and testing. The Tech Tool allows you to perform powerful sensor testing with live data streaming. You can monitor pressures, temperatures, and voltages in real time to pinpoint the exact source of a problem, rather than just guessing based on a fault code. This is especially vital for modern emissions systems. The software has dedicated diagnostic routines for the SCR and DPF systems. You can check DEF quality, monitor soot levels, and, most importantly, perform forced regen. No more getting stuck with a derated engine because of a clogged filter. The tool guides you through the entire process, making a complex job straightforward and reliable. But it doesn't stop there. Electrical troubleshooting is one of the biggest headaches in this industry, right? The Volvo Tech Tool has your back. It comes with detailed wiring diagrams and provides a clear view of the vehicle's CAN bus network. You can see how all the different electronic control units are communicating with each other. This helps you quickly identify communication failures, short circuits, or faulty modules that might be bringing down the entire network. Instead of spending hours with a multimeter, probing endless wires, you can use the software to isolate the problem area in minutes. It's about working smarter, not harder. The user interface is designed for efficiency. It guides you through diagnostic trouble codes, providing step-by-step repair information and component locations. It essentially turns the complex service manual into an interactive, easy-to-follow guide right on your laptop. From calibrating injectors to testing the AB system, the range of functions is just massive. It supports a wide array of engines, including the D11, the 13, and D16, as well as the entire range of Volvo construction equipment. This versatility means you only need one system to cover a huge fleet of different machines. In summary, the Volvo VCADS Pro Tech Tool isn't just another scanner. It's a complete diagnostic and programming solution. It empowers you to perform dealership-level repairs, reduce downtime, and ensure every job is done right the first time. For any serious technician or workshop specializing in Volvo, this is an essential investment that pays for itself over and over again. It gives you the confidence to tackle any problem, no matter how complex. That's our deep dive for today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the best tools in the heavy-duty industry. Got any questions about the Volvo Tech Tool? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to answer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.